Hey, what up, Roger? What's up, guys? Ready to do some 3-box prime action. Hey, guys, what's going on? Ready to break these babies? Welcome to Harold if you're in here. We got a new guy. Hey, guys, what's up? Some people just joined in. How you guys doing tonight? Hey, Eshi, are you Harold? Who are you on Facebook? Sup, homie? What's up? Oh, you're not Harold? Just send out a couple more links here. We got a couple new guys, so. Who are you, Eshi? Who are you? Oh, what's up, Matt? Yeah, I film all my breaks for my Facebook group called Wyatt's Box Breaks. So if you search for that and apply to join, I'll let you in. That's where I fill all the breaks, and then we come over here to breakers. You probably don't need to add me as a friend. You just apply to the group. Boom, boom, boom. Looks like almost everyone's in here. It's gonna be. If anyone's new and you didn't see the teams, just let me know what your name is on Facebook and I'll let you know what your teams are. If you need a refresher on who you have, just let me know. We will get right to it. It's 7:03, so we'll get right to breaking. For anyone who's some people lag out really bad, and this will be uploaded on YouTube for you guys to watch too if you get any lag. But should be okay. So we're breaking some 2014 Topps Prime tonight. Got 10 packs a box, 6 cards a pack. It's 4 hits, 2 autos, and then 2 patches, 2 relics per box. So we're looking at 12 total hits in all 3. Well, yeah, if you want to stay updated on the breaks there, Matt, just join Wyatt's Box Breaks and see all the stuff that I have breaking. Yeah, so we'll get to this prime here. 4 hits a box. 10 packs, 6 cards a pack. Okay. couple messages real quick. Oh yeah, there's your. You just got the invite there. Jeremy, you said you might have done that trade. You think you can? If you still want to do a trade, I can do it since we haven't opened any boxes yet. I don't know what trade you're talking about though. If you're in here. Let's see what people are saying. Nope. Hey, AZ Cards gal. You Nicole. One second, guys. No contenders tonight. We've only done one box of contenders recently. Might do some more in the future. But just the prime for tonight. We did Spectra and Sterling last night as well. Check and see if there's any trades. Yeah, I can't see what Jeremy's talking about. You in here, Jeremy? What trade was that you wanted? Vikings and something. I can't find it. Okay, I think we'll just skip that. Guess Jeremy can stop me in the next minute or so, or Tyler or someone that can stop me. Give Jeremy 1 minute here to respond again. Get all the trades we can. Yeah. We'll probably just go here. Jeremy had his time to trade. A good amount of time. Don't want to leave you guys waiting any longer. So we'll get to it, guys. First box of Prime. First 4 hits. Trade time is now over officially. The box has been ripped. 10 packs. Okey-doke. There's our first 10. Gets an attack angle here. Okay, here we go, guys. Good luck. It's our first pack of 2014 Prime. Des Bryant. Some Jimmy Graham, little backwards stuff here. Looks like we got a prime patch already in this first pack. Here's a base that was on the back. Jarvis Landry, rookie, and there's a Jimmy, just backwards. Our first hit looks like going to be a PP prime patch. Tom Savage. Oh yeah, Jimmy's just a base. We got a Tom Savage prime patch is our first relic hit. This little 2-color one there. For Texans. Houston Texans. Jeremy. I need thick loaders for this. 1 second. There. Bombing the Savage, yeah. Okey-doke. So there's our first relic Savage card. Prime patch. Okay, next pack. Luke Kuechly, Robert Mathis, Julius Thomas. Got something backwards. This is an insert, I believe. This is Prime Performance. Oh, just a regular rookie card, Blake Bortles. And Prime Timers insert, Russell Wilson. And David Fales, rookie. Next pack. Okay, Ndamukong Suh, CJ Spiller, Matt Ryan, Jeremy Hill insert, and we got our patch auto maybe coming up here. Jeremy Hill insert, prime rookie. Let's see what we got here. Could be just an insert. Khalil Mack. I think this is just an insert. I can't tell by the code QR. Oh yeah, patch. Quad relic, that's right. So there's a Khalil Mack, Oakland Raiders. 74 out of 99, 2-color patch. Khalil Mack. Raiders hit. Okay, next card, Dante Moncrief, rookie. Okay, next pack. Julio Jones, Adrian Peterson, Tony Romo, Patrick Peterson, insert Charles Tillman, Johnny Manziel, rookie card. Next pack. Looks like we got another big thick one here. Hey, Joe Flacco. Calvin Johnson. Let's see what this hit is coming up. Congratulations, autograph relic. Tight end, Jace Amaro, Jets hit. So that's just their autographed relic. Let's see what it looks like. The Jets hit there, Aaron. Hit on your one team. Jace Amaro, 2-color quad patch auto. Aaron. Jets hit. And we got a gold parallel. Haha Clinton Dix. Packers 176 out of 250. Okay. Next pack, and I'm looking for just one more auto in this box. Nick Foles, Antonio Brown, Giovanni Bernard, Demarius Thomas, Adrian Peterson insert, Zach Mettenberger. Yep, you couldn't get rid of those Jets. People are afraid of the Taj Boyd hits. Jason Morrow, I mean, he's a pretty good tight end. They're just not a very good quarterback throwing to him, so. Okay, next pack here. Here's Peyton Manning, Josh Gordon, RG3. This is an insert, I believe. Yeah. Prime Performance insert, Kenny Stills. And we got a gold parallel Frank Gore. And Kelvin Benjamin rookie card. Next pack. Tavon Austin, Alfred Morris, J.J. Watt, Eric Berry, Primetimer insert Calvin Johnson, and Troy Nicholas rookie. Okay, next pack. Last 2 packs in this box. And on to our second and third. Hey, Eddie Lacy starting us off. Denarius Moore, upside down. Patrick Willis. Primetimers insert Larry Fitzgerald. And looks like we got our auto. Looks like a Kadeem Carey Prime Performance. Maybe not an auto. Let's see. I think it could just be a regular card here. Oh, no, it's an auto. Oh, nice. It's a rainbow bronze. 20 out of 50. Nice. I think that's Mike got them. Can't tell. Yeah, Mike Hilbrandt got that. Nice Kadeem 20 out of 50. Rainbow, bronze rainbow. And you got a Jimmy Garoppolo below that. Grab a sleeve for the Kadeem. Nice little auto variation there. Going to Mike. That should be all the hits for this box. Just one more pack. Okay, Cam Newton, Robert Quinn, Randall Cobb, Tom Savage insert, Navarro Bowman, gold parallel, and Marquise Lee rookie. That's the first box. Just 1 second, guys. Make sure I get some messages from Facebook. See if anyone else needs to get in. Okay. On to our next box. Okay, same deals here, obviously. That last box. 4 hits, 2 autos, 2 patches. Do-do-do-do. Rippin'. Okay. Here's our next stack of packs. 10 packs, 6 cards a pack. Okey-doke, here we go, guys. Good luck again. Start with our first pack of the second box. Monte Ball, AJ Green, Ace Sanders, Calvin Benjamin insert, rookie insert. Oh, looks like we got a multi-player patch here. So if there's no majority owner, which means if there's someone that doesn't own both the teams, if this is just, it's just a duel, then we'll have to randomize it. Let's see, Trey Mason, Bishop Sankey. Looks like a dual patch here. Let's see what we got. A little dual. 67 out of 142. Let's see, so Rams and Titans. I think Nicole had Titans and Rams is Harold. So we'll randomize this one at the end of the break. So we'll just save a little time and do it at the end. So Nicole and Harold will be battling for that at the end. Nice little dual patch, Bishop Sank and Trey Mason. I'll set that over here. Okay, Paul Richardson, rookie in the bottom of that. First pack, first hit. Seems to happen quite a bit. Next pack here, guys. Cecil Shorts, Von Miller, DeAndre Hopkins, Reggie Bush, Reggie Wayne, insert, Sammy Watkins, rookie. Next pack. So we got a prime patch in this one. Big fat hit in there. Go. Drew Brees. Mike Glennon. What is this? PVTW. Okay. Terrence West. Browns. It's a big, much thicker than normal. So Browns hitting. Cleveland Richard. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's just a base style one. I thought it would be a little different because it's very thick. Looks like, let's see, 1, 2, 3 colors in there. The little orange on the edge there on the inside. Terrence West. Patch Auto, RPA. Going to Richard. Terrence West Auto. And we got an Allen Robinson on the bottom. Next pack. Kiddo, Sean Lee, Alshon Jeffrey, Jordan Cameron, Kiko Alonso, insert Des Bryant, and Anthony Barr, rookie. Next pack. Yeah, looks like we got our another patch in this one. Let me just shuffle the... Actually, we'll save that for last because there's parallel on the back too. Let's see, Aaron Rodgers, and we'll get right to our hit here. Let's see who it is. It's Steelers. Antonio Brown. I don't... Oh no, okay, that's not the hit. Sorry. It's a card stuck to the hit. Just a backwards card stuck to the hit. Oh, looks like there's another Jets hit here. You can tell by the initial. Jace Amaro. Look at that. Prime patch. It's one color prime patch. Jace Amaro, Jets. And there's a serial numbered card at the bottom. Good Patriot. Jace Amaro prime patch. Another Jets hit. And you got Jimmy Garoppolo, bronze parallel, and a little bit of damage on the bottom of that. Jimmy Garoppolo, 325 out of 350. Patriots parallel. Next pack. For another auto and another patch in this box. Got Le'Veon here. Le'Veon Bell, Arian Foster, Ryan Tannehill, Zach Stacy insert. Oh, and looks like we got a redemption card. See what it is. Well, we'll see the back first, but so there's a redemption. Give us something good. Come on now. Don't make us wait for someone who's not even playing. Come on. Another Logan Thomas. Jeez. A lot of these redemptions. Is he too lazy to sign them or what? Autograph rookie variation Cardinals. Richard again. Logan Thomas autograph rookie variation redemption. We can send you the code or the card either way. Let me know, Richard. And another Jason Merrill card in the bottom. Let's see if we can get a extra auto in the packs here. For one other patch as well. Focus, there you go. Pierre Garçon, Keenan Allen, Earl Thomas, Derek Hart insert, Michael Crabtree gold parallel, Eric Ebron rookie. Next pack. Terrell Suggs, Roddy White, Larry Fitzgerald, Andy Dalton, insert Josh Gordon, and there's a Logan Thomas rookie. Next pack. Let's see, we should get another auto would be nice, since we got a redemption. Richard Sherman. Vincent Jackson. Geno Smith. So it looks like we got a hit here, maybe just an insert. Bills. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is just one of prime performance insert. Robert Woods. Yeah. Insert card. Patrick Willis gold parallel. A lot of Niners parallels here. Teddy Bridgewater rookie. The last pack, we should have our last patch. We should have a quad patch. Unless I miscounted the hits. What we got? Terrence, Prime. Oh no, okay, we do have. Right, we got that dual Logan Thomas, Jason Morrow, and Terrence West. So we've gotten 4 hits. They're gonna get scared that we almost got shorted. Focus. Yeah, well, it's Cordell Patterson. It's not focusing. CPAT, Victor Cruz, DeMarco Murray, Matthew Stafford. Insert Marshawn Lynch smashing a guy up. Nice. And D'Anthony Thomas, rookie. That's the last card of the second box. Here's our third, and we'll randomize that Bishop Sankey, Trey Mason at the very end of the break between Nicole and Harold. So here's our last box. Good luck to everyone. Last 10 packs. Last 4 hits. I'll run through everything we got at the end as well. A little recap. 5, 8, and 10. There's our last 10 packs. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Okie doke. There, focused. Roddy White, Andy Dalton, DeMarco Murray. Could be hitting here. Let's see. Oh, this is Prime. Yeah, Prime Timer or Prime Performance. Insert Tavon Austin. Rams. Phillip Rivers, Gold Parallel. I got a Kadeem, a little bit of scuffing on the side here. Kadeem Parallel. At a 350 copper. A little bit of scratching on the edge there. Not too bad though. Okay, next pack. Okay, Richard Sherman, Geno Smith, Keenan Allen, Terrence West insert, and then we got a Sammy Watkins here, DR. Looks like a dual relic, DR. Yeah, Sammy Watkins, 24 out of 99, copper style, 2-color patch. I think that's Nicole who had the Bills, yep. Sammy Watkins, 24 out of 99. Patch. Sammy. Nice. And Tom Savage, rookie at the bottom. And next pack. Let's get a nice big name auto here. Or up and coming auto, we could say. Sean McCoy, Ryan Matthews, Phillip Rivers, Russell Wilson, J.J. Watt insert, and Brandon Cooks, rookie. Next pack. Cecil Shorts, Andre Johnson, DeAndre Hopkins, Reggie Bush, Primetimer insert Julio Jones, Jeremy Hill, rookie. Next pack. We got a hit in this one. Just bring up our base card here. Tavis Bryant, rookie. Ryan Tannehill. We got Torrey Smith, that's just going to be a base card. And then looks like we have a prime patch here. Looks like it's Lions. Yep, Lions. Eric Ebron, prime patch. Torrey Smith, just base. I saw two color there. Eric Ebron, Lions. Detroit Lions. Roger. Eric Ebron, two color. Lions hit. Base. Okay, next pack. Looking for both our autos. Von Miller, Sean Lee, Jordan Cameron, Kiko Alonso, Primetimer Frank Gore, Jerick McKinnon, rookie. Base. Next pack. C-Pat here, Cordero Patterson, Victor Cruz, Matthew Stafford, Zach Mettenberger, insert, primed rookie, Keenan Allen, gold parallel, Austin Seferian Jenkins, rookie. Next pack, looking for our autos. Alshon Jeffrey, Terrell Suggs, Larry Fitzgerald, Antonio Brown, insert. Oh, we have another redemption. Wish they just give us the cards in the box. So another redemption here. Let's see if we can get something good. Give us a big time guy here. Come on now. Oh, a little better than Logan Thomas, I think. Khalil Mack. Autograph rookie variation copper parallel. There's another Raiders. Oh, no. Was there a Raiders hit before? I can't remember. Oaktown, Jeremy. Khalil Mack, rookie variation auto. Send you the code or the card, whichever one. Mike Evans, rookie. On the bottom. So I guess we're looking for just one more auto, since that counts as one. Hopefully we get a bonus. Let's see. Two more packs. And one of our hits is in here. Let's move the base up. Okay, to CJ Mosley. That's our rookie card. Le'Veon Bell. Arian Foster. And our next hit could be the last hit. Let's see. Titans. Zach Mettenberger. Autographed. Primed. Relic autograph. 3-color. Patch auto. Zach Mettenberger. Titans. Going to Nicole. Titans, yes, Nicole. Zach Mettenberger. This should be our last auto. Maybe get something in this last pack, hopefully. Zach Mettenberger. Okay, so here's our last pack of the break. 3-box prime. Get some super mojo on this. Let's see if we can pull an extra auto or something. Seems to happen when we pull redemptions. Didn't in the last box, but you can always hope. Percy Harvin, Darrell Revis, Brian Hartline, Reggie Wayne, Prime timer insert LaShawn McCoy. Doesn't look like there's any extra autos. And then there's another Titans card, Bishop Sankey, rookie. So that's it. I'm going to randomize our dual patch there. Just 1 second, let me get this base sorted out. Okey-doke. So here's our dual patch there. Sankey, Trey Mason, dual. It's going to be randomized between Harold and Nicole. Just 1 second, I'll pull up random.org here. So we'll go left or right. So put Harold on top because he has the Rams. And we'll do Nicole bottom for the Titans. Add the screencast here. 1 second. I think the battery just died on my mouse. 1 second, I can get another battery here. Yeah, definitely just died. There we go. Okay, I'll make this bigger. So we'll randomize this list 7 times. Whoever ends up on top will get that duel. Oh. Okay, now we're back. So 7 times, guys. Good luck. Harold and Nicole. Whoever ends up on top gets it. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the last one, guys. Good luck. Nicole shifts places. Nicole gets it. Just make a little mark of that. Nicole gets the duel. Nicole duel. Bishop. Mason. Nice. If any of you guys are new and you didn't get any hits in the regular break, I send you one, auto or relic, something that I have in my collection. And even if you're not new, you get it as well. I'm just saying, if you don't know that already. Let me just take this down. We'll run through everything we got real quick as well. I like to have a little recap so people can just watch that if they want. Okay, screen cap's down. So we had this Trey Mason, Bishop Sankey. This one's going to Nicole after the randomizations. Dual patch. Zach Mettenberger, another Nicole hit here. Rookie patch auto, 3 color. A Khalil Mack redemption auto. Copper parallel style. The Raiders. Jeremy, I think, yeah. And we had Eric Ebron. Getting focused on the recap here. Eric Ebron, 2 color patch, going to Roger. Lions. We have this Sammy Watkins duel going to Nicole as well. Nicole getting some good hits. 24 out of 99 dual color patch. Logan Thomas redemption going to the Cardinals. I think that was Richard. Yeah, Richard for Logan Thomas. Jason Morrow prime patch going to Aaron. Terrence West rookie patch auto going to Richard. Yep. Kadeem Rainbow Bronze auto going to Mike. And then we got another Jason Morrow hit. Patch auto this time going to Aaron again. We had another Khalil Mack card. Quad relic this time. And a Tom Savage Prime Patch Texans. There's also a couple parallels. We don't need to see those. I guess they're all right here. So there's all our parallels. Kadeem, Garoppolo, and Clinton Dix. Gold and 2 bronzes. So that is all the prime break. Thanks guys for filling it up for me. Your input is always welcome as what we are going to break next. Make a suggestion on the page and we'll talk about it. I always like to hear from you guys. Thanks everyone for joining again. I'll see you around next time. This video will be up on YouTube probably about a half an hour. Maybe a little longer. Guys, thanks for joining. See you next time, guys.